Here's how to fix blurry highlights on Instagram. Now open up a web browser on your iPhone or Android and type in speed test here and hit run speed test. What you're checking to see if you have really bad internet, and essentially if you do have bad internet, anything will be uploaded blurry. If it's good, you're gonna next head into the Instagram app here again on your iPhone or Android and tap on your profile at the bottom right. From here, tap on the three lines at the very top right. And all we need to do is scroll down until you find the option that says media quality here. Tap on that. Now you need to turn on upload at the highest quality. And if you have use less cell data, make sure to turn that off. And essentially if you have disable of HDR music, HDR media turned on, make sure to turn that off. So it should be in this configuration. Now, after you've gone through that process, let's go back out of here, tap on new highlight, and you'll be able to see you can add a highlight from your story. So if I tap on it and hit next, it should be the same quality as your story when you originally upload it. Let's hit not now. If you tap on it and it's really bad quality, essentially you need to make sure it's good quality when you upload it. Sometimes it compresses it from the story over to the highlight. So I would also recommend heading into your settings app of your phone, scrolling down here, and then you're going to tap on camera. Now, whether it's a photo or a video, you're going to go into any of those and make sure that you're recording at a higher resolution. You can see 30 frames per second, 4K here, as well as for any photo, you're going to just tap on formats here and make sure everything in the photos is set to the highest resolution, in this case, 24 megapixels.